Get your tickets today at PaulaCasino.com. Paula Casino, just 10 minutes east of I-15 and Highway 76. Mark Zegan, KOGO Traffic.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
This is the required monthly test of the San Diego County Emergency Alert System. Repeating, this is only a test. This test is coming to you from the San Diego County Emergency Operations Center. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes the required monthly test.